Hey my peoples, I'm Faced by Trevor if you didn't know. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got this holographic halo eye look. Didn't start off like that, but that's how it ended. If you want to see how I got it, stay tuned and let's get into it. Hey my peoples, so today I'm doing a mix on a look that I usually, it's like my go-to lazy look when I have nothing else to do, I have nothing in mind. Yes, I have those times. As you can see, I did my brows burgundy, but something that I'm doing today that I haven't tried before, I'm pretty scared about it, is going straight over my primer with shadow when it's not set with powder, which is like a big thing that's been going on lately on like the internet and everything. I'm scared to do it. But let's see what happens. So, first, where did I put the brush? I always lose the brush. I've always... It's in my lap. So, first, I'm going in with the shade Sienna from Anastasia. It's this one right here. And I'm so scared to do this because I don't want this look to come out messed up. So, this is just a normal look I always do when I have nothing else to do and nothing else in mind. So, I'm just going to put this in my crease. I'm not liking it so far. I should have set this down with some powder. Oh, wait. Oh, hold on. Do y'all see this blend? I had another video planned today, but it's like very cloudy outside because it's raining and it's not the nicest weather today. And I want some really good light for this video, so I'm saving that for another day. Because you know, all of July I am posting for Saturday, every Saturday and Wednesday. But the thing is, I have no other thing to film for Saturday's video, which is tomorrow. So I have to film a video today, no matter the weather, because I'm staying committed to this. Even though, like last Wednesday, I posted on Thursday on accident. This is actually really nice. This was nice. Who thought about doing this? Did they run out like a lid set powder or something? Like, what happened? Gotta tap this out because it's creasing. As you can see, I need to clean like all of my brushes. I'm not doing it yet because this look that I planned for today actually will pretty much filthy up my brushes. Not even dirty up, but filthy up my brushes. But the next step is I'm taking a black liner. This one's from Hikari, just any old black liner. Just trying to get one that doesn't dry too quick. I'm going to put this all over the center of the lid. Like more near the lash line because we're going to blend this up and out. I'm sorry my voice is cracking so much. My tonsils are swollen and causing me so much pain. So we're just going to take this little paddle brush and blend it out across the entire lid. So most of that transition shade we put will be covered up. I just like to put it as safety kind of. Also, it just helps with the overall blend kind of. So you just blend that out like that. Next we're going in with another fluffy brush. I'm going to take this one. I don't really want to use this one, but it's the first one that stood out to me and it's clean. So I'm going to take this brush and then, what shade is this? This is Bitten by Makeup Geek, which is this burgundy shade right here. I always love to just do a gradient of a burgundy shade on my lid when I'm lazy. So this is like a look I've done a few times because sometimes I just don't know what to do. So you just build that up by the lash line. Usually I'll stamp it in first and then go to blend up into that upper color. So just stamp that in across the liner. You kind of want to completely cover that liner. And then blend out the edge between the black and the transition shade we put. Is that pretty already? Look, I love this. I love doing this because it's so simple. You literally need 2 shadows and an eyeliner. But, like I said, I'm putting a twist on it. So, we're going to finish building this up because I don't want any of the black to peek through. I just wanted to look slightly darker, like a gradient. So there's that eye. I'm going to do the other one off camera. I decided to add a little extra something to this look. So I'm going to take this color here, this big shadow right here, Moon Kiss from L'Oreal. It's their, the holographic collection they came out with. It's one of their single shadows. So with this small brush here, like very significantly, you know what I mean. So I'm going to take it just right on the brush, and I'm going to go, that's so pretty. I've never used this shadow before. So I'm going to go like right up the middle of the lid. This is beautiful. Okay, so I'm going to blend out this inner and outer corner with the same shade we use, Bitten. And a little bit up above the crease right there. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Okay, I'll be back. I'm going to apply wing liner and lashes. These are a pair I got from AliExpress. And I think they would just go really good with the look. So I'll be right back. This look is something completely different from what I was thinking of or what I intended to do originally. It's going to be one of those look down moments when you be like, oh wait girl, wait, blink again, look down, look down. So this next part I learned from my friend Sarah. I've never tried it before. I want to see how it works. And so I'm going to dropped it. So I'm going to take this white pencil liner. This one's from LA Colors. And I'm going to take this on my lower lash line. Not the waterline. Lash line. So I'm going to put that right down there. Alright, so now I'm going to take this shade Crescent Moon from the same L'Oreal holographic collection on a flat brush, this little flat brush. I'm going to take that and I'm going to tap it right in the middle of the eye on the lower lash line. We're about to do basically a double halo eye. One on the top, one on the bottom. And this one has like a reflective of green. This one is purple with like a reflective of blue. I'm sorry if I just covered my whole face. But we're going to pile that on right in the middle. I want to be kind of generous with this because I want it to be visible. Because it is this one's a very sheer powder. But you want this to be visible because we are going to blend out the edges back with the shade Bitten. Okay, so just like I said, I'm going to take the shade Bitten, that burgundy shade we put on top of the black all over the lid. We're going to take that on the same brush, just wipe off the excess from the other color. And we're just going to blend this on the outer corner, in the inner corner. And then I'm going to take this purple liner, this twist up purple liner, and that's going straight in my waterline. Okay, so now it's time. As you can see, it's like a double halo effect, and they're both much like a holographic. Top lid holographic, so it's the bottom. But so it's time for the finish off the face. So I'm gonna take this blush from Note Cosmetics in the shade 7 a lot, shade 5 Desert Rose that we just got this month's BoxyCharm. We're just gonna apply that on the cheeks. That's a lot. That's a lot. Ooh. Okay. Yeah, that's a lot. We just that's better. Okay, so now I'm taking this this highlighter palette from Naked Cosmetics. They're all holographics. So I'm gonna take this purple one here. It's like real pretty. Kind of matches the lid. I'm gonna take that on a fan brush and I'm gonna highlight my cheek. Where it go? Is it? Do you see? Okay, I'm starting to see it. So I'm gonna just highlight the cheek. They're definitely not that bright. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some water, spray my cheek, let it dry a little bit because you don't want it clinging to like the water droplets that land on your face. And then I'm gonna take the color and go on top of that. Look at that. There we go. And same to the other side. Then I'm gonna take the same color on this small little fluffy brush, little tiny little brush. I'm gonna put that on the brow bone. These lashes are so pretty as well. Like, I love these lashes. They went perfect with this look that I did not intend to do. One of my coworkers, Faith, came with this purple highlighter after her senior pictures, because her senior year. So she came in with this purple highlighter on her brow bone in the inner corner. It was so beautiful. It was like this shade of purple, but it was like bright and metallic. It was so beautiful. And she's dark skinned. It was so nice. Anyway, let me finish. So I'm taking this pencil brush right here. And now I'm taking this blue shade down here, right below the purple. And I'm going to take that and we're going to apply it to the inner corner. I'm sorry that I keep looking over here. I got a big mirror over here. Don't this remind you of Rihanna, like that one palette she came out with? Like, if you could see, like, in, like, good lighting like I get. Does this remind you of that Rihanna palette? So, I'm going to go do the lips off camera. I'll be right back. Alright, for lips, I'm not done yet. But I did go in with I Am a Rock Star from the brand. Nope, this is called Lady Love. I've been calling this the wrong name since I got it a while ago. But, it's called, Lady Love by Real Her. It's kind of dark for this look. So what I'm going to do is take, since we're just going to continue with the theme, you know, holographic from L'Oreal, I'm taking this lip gloss that came in that same collection as the two eyeshadows. It's, I don't know the name of it. Oh, no, it's called Polaris Pink in shade 04. It kind of matches the eyes. I'm going to put that on the lips. This is like my favorite lipstick, liquid lipstick formula though. Oh god, look at that. It's like a metallic purple. And it's just going to brighten up the look and pull it together with the eye. But this is my favorite liquid lipstick formula I've ever had. Because it's so comfortable. I can wear it for hours without a problem. And their lip liners are great too. Like, they're not drying at all. And they go on so smooth. Alright. You know, I'm going to highlight my nose too. Oh, just a little bit. Just a little bit. So, oh, I wish y'all can see like what I see in this mirror. It's so pretty and like space-like, metallic, purple, blue. I look like an alien. I love it. But I look like an alien. So, that's your tutorial on my lazy day look that I vamped up into something completely different. And I'm Faced by Trevi. I'll leave everything down below, my social media and all the products I used in today's video. And so you can click my face, I believe, over there to subscribe. Or is it over there? It's over there. Click my face over there to subscribe and watch some of my other videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.